is here with me at Gatorland. All right, woo! Oh, don't get bitten. What's up, Lone Star Rockers? We're here at Gatorland in Orlando, Florida. We're gonna come in here and check out some alligators. This is awesome. I've never been here before, and this is one of the oldest attractions left in Florida. So this is gonna be a real treat for us. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Yeah. So we're gonna see some alligators. This should be exciting.
Don't want to get bitten.
I don't want to get bitten either. Some little babies.
Not all the way out there. Alright, you guys, welcome to Gatorland's Jumbo-Roo competition. We're gonna get these alligators and crocodiles jumping, but not for any old reason. You see right here behind me, I got two of the dumbest guys we can find. And they're here to compete for a job at the park. So are you guys ready to meet these two guys? Not really. Alright, look, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret, okay? For the past 70 to 75 years, these alligators and crocodiles have been trained to jump to the noise that y'all made. So the louder you guys are, the higher they're gonna jump. So let me ask you guys again this one more time. Are you guys ready to meet these two guys?
Yeah!
Alright, over here on my left hand side, all the way from the city of St. Cloud. Give it up for Bubba! Alright. Also, on my right hand side, also from the city of St. Cloud, taking the wrangling gators since he was knee high to a mosquito. Give it up for Kudo! You don't. We're gonna do some on-the-job training, alright? So we got a bucket full of chicken right here. What you guys are gonna do, you're gonna grab that chicken, you're gonna hang it on the cable, you're gonna hang the cable on the line, and you're gonna wait for further instructions, alright? Alright guys, we're gonna move on to the first part of the competition. They're gonna go ahead and send those pieces of chicken out there. Alligators and crocodiles are gonna jump up and rip the chicken down. First person that gets both pieces of chicken down is gonna get the first point of the competition. Is gonna go back there and hit the gong. It's pretty self-explanatory. So, I'm gonna switch you guys up into two. Let's go! Why did you hit the gong? No, you gotta get your chicken down, then you hit the gong, then you get a point. No, I'm not adding stuff, you're just not listening. Chicken down, then you hit the gong. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna switch you guys up into two teams. So my lady in the hat. Why's your chicken on the ground? Were you born sideways? You weren't there. Alright, look, you see what Bubba's doing, right? Yeah, you see how he's hanging on the line like I told him to do? Yeah, do that. Stop messing around, stop touching the gong, and stop. That's it, stop. You're making my stomach hurt, okay? Jeez, alright, look, I'm trying to switch you guys up into two teams. So my lady. Bubba! What are you doing? You're so nice at the gong, no, you're an idiot. No, that's it. I'm done with you guys. Alright, one more strike, you're going swimming. I'm done.
Wait, boss, I can't swim.
You can't swim? You won't have to swim for long. Get your chicken ready, alright? Alright, look, so you're the captain of Team Bubba. Now I'm gonna need you to come up with a word to get these alligators and crocodiles to jump and jump high. So any other word that you can come up with to get them to jump. Jump!
Yes.
Jump. Alright, fine, but I guess I helped you out. So Bubba's team, your word's gonna be jump, and we're gonna try that on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Look, you can't come up with a word, I'm gonna come up with one for you. So Cooter's team, your word's gonna be go, and we're gonna try that on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, remember guys, get those chickens out. Remember, Bubba's team, your words jump. Cooter's team, your words go. Bubba, Cooter, you guys ready? Alright, on the count of three, send them out there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Send them out. There you go, guys. Yo, jump,
Jump! Feather!
So yo, jump, yo.
Please jump.
There we go. I just need one piece down at this point, boys.
Jump.
There we go. Oh, nice.
Oh, you got it.
Grab that bucket of chicken head all the way down to the end, all the way down. Alright guys, we're going to move on to the final part of the competition. They got half pieces of chicken. They're going to hang those pieces of chicken over the railing. Alligators and crocodiles are going to jump up and rip the chicken directly from your hands, alright? Cooter team, you know where it's going, or you know however that works. Bubba Cooter, you guys ready? Alright, on the count of 3, send it out there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, send it out there.
Jump! 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 Jump!
Jump! Cooter side, nice job, bro. There we go. Watch those hands, boys. Watch those hands. Jump all the way up to that orange railing. There you go. Keep it in front of them, boys. Yo, jump, yo, go. Nice. We're got one each. Jump. There we go. Make it count, boys. Make that last jump, boys. Last jump, boys. There we go. Keep it in front. Make it count. Make it count. Last jump.
Better jump for me. Jump now.
Okay, I'm about to start counting you guys down. Come on, make it count.
Jump. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes, sir.
Come on. There we go. All right, we'll give you a couple more seconds to try, Bubba. If not,
Bro.
you're gonna have to give that last
Jump.
chance to Cooter. There we go. Come on, guys. Don't let them down. Don't let them down. Don't let them down.
Jump.
There we go. Give you a couple more seconds.
Jump.
Couple more seconds. Oh, you got it. Did it get it? It dropped. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Look, I see all your jumps. I don't even worry about that. All right, guys. Let's give a round of applause to these two knuckleheads risking life and limb. And another round of applause to these high jumping alligators and crocodiles, 2 stars of our show.
Good boy.
Hello. Pygmy rattlesnake. Albino alligators.
Is that weird?
They love the sun. Watch out for our feathered friends. You want to pet some birds? Maybe hold them, maybe they'll land on you. There.
Hello, little birdie. Here you go. Little birdie. Birdie. Birdie.
Oh. Oh. I guess I'm a perch all of a sudden. Well, hello. Hello there. There you go, bye. Go ahead and give that to her. Give her the $2.
Guys, you want to keep on sliding and feet in the back.
Okay, let's let's move over here.
Okay, it hurts. Hang on. Okay, calm down, buddy.
They're going nuts.
Calm down.
I'd move, but I'm afraid I would step on them, you know? Is that your bird, buddy? You have a little bird friend there, I see. Oh, they're coming. They want some more that's sick.
Oh, look at this bird. Here. Oh, gosh.
Violet, you have a bird on your head. What do you think about that? I think you found a home. This is fantastic. Oh, okay, they're gonna start landing on me now. What's up, little buddy?
Give them to someone because we're gonna leave. Give it to someone like there's an apple.
What's up, little buddy? Hi.
These girls.
There it goes. There it is. Now when it comes out, it's going to be hot. It's a little warm. There it is. Awesome. Woo, it's a little warm.
Oh yeah.
You can feel it, how hot it is. That is cool. Ginormous gators. Makes you wonder how old they are. Oh, almost got him. Here comes another one. He's hungry. They want that fish. Oh, he got it. All right, so that's our trip to Gatorland. It was really exciting. These gators are huge, and what a surprise with the parakeets, huh? I never saw a parakeet land on your head before. Anyway, we're gonna head down to Palm Beach and have our vacation down there. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and we you all to keep on rocking.
Roar.
Bye. If you have any fish, let us know. You can eat some fish anytime.